Hi, today I want to show you some my small experiences about fixing or mounting or gluing a servo in some EPP, EPO, etc. just foam wing. No any rocket science, really easy way, one from many ways. So I want to show you how I to do this. How I solve this problem. Just this thing. So now I have here wing from Multiplex Shark, and I will glue inside the servo HXT 900. So of course you must be sure that I have a hole or mounting point in a right size, right depth. Just try it, put inside servo and check if hole is enough, if depth of depth of hole is enough. If it's your servo with some sticker on side which you will glue, my recommendation is remove the sticker and with some alcohol, for example Johnny Walker Black or Blue Label, Chivas Regal 20 years old, 16 years old, yes, something like that, grams. So with some alcohol, just clean servo, because sometime on new servos is some lubricant, etc. So we don't need it, we must have servo clean. Alcohol is the best for this. And next important thing, before installation of servo in the wing, you must be sure that your servo arm is in right position. So connect your servo to any servo tester or receiver, and with receiver and transmitter or servo tester just set position of servo on right value and arm on servo on right position. Secure it with screw. I will make this now only for this movie without the screw, just only for show. And again check if is your servo in right position without any problems, if it's enough space for arm. For example, here on Shark I must make this hole a little bigger. So I will glue this servo inside, because how I say many ways, I will glue this servo in the wing with hot glue, just standard hot glue, just standard hobby tool, nothing special, really cheap standard hot glue with standard material, standard gum, really nothing special. And why hot glue? Because gluing with hot glue has some advantages, some plus, of course some minus, but some plus too. And I will show you main plus later. If I will put hot glue here on servo, and I will put this servo with this hot glue in right position, it's really it's a really big chance that adhesion of glue will be bad. So servo will be glue badly, glue it badly. I hope you understand me. My English is horrible, but I hope it is understandable. Because if you will apply hot glue on one surface, really quick is on top side, on top layer of this hot glue. Inside is hot, but on top is really quick cold and without any adhesive. So we need make a technology of double gluing, because perfect connection is between one surface with hot glue and second surface with hot glue. So you need your hot glue gun with right high temperature. It must be really enough hot. It means too hot. Too hot is okay. And you will only small drop of hot glue with metal end of hot glue gun, only make a small layer in bottom side of mounting point for servo, just with really hot metal end of just gun with hot glue. Apply only really thin layer of hot glue. Yes, if I put finger inside, I can feel glue is inside. Now the same on servo. Really only thin layer of glue. Oh, right position. Really only thin layer of hot glue, and with hot metal end of gun just apply hot glue on side of servo. Really thin layer. Sorry, where is picture? Here. Really thin layer. Yes. Now only one small drop in center and quickly put servo under raise position. That's all. Yes, that's all. Maybe if you want this servo mount more strong, you can with sharp knife remove small parts of foam besides this I don't know in English language, besides this mounting parts of servo. Just only small parts remove, cut small pieces of foam, because we need a space for hot glue. Yes. Yes, really small pieces is enough. And now just put small drops of hot glue beside mounting points for servo. You need a finger wet, and it's important. You need a wet finger and just push glue inside the holes. After is this cold, and if some glue is out of hole, you can, after is glue cold, yes, you can cut what you don't want, small pieces of glue, hot glue. You can cut it with sharp knife, but only if it's glue cold and tough. So I think it's clear. Nothing special, how I say, no rocket science. One of many ways. And I will wait if it will be cold. And I will show you a big advantage of hot glue gluing servos or other parts in your airplane. Sometime you need parts like servos unmount, remove from the wing. Your servos could be broken, or you want change servo for stronger type, etc. So if you will glue your servo in the wing with double side tape or with second glue, it's really hard work remove servo. But with hot glue you will use alcohol, or how I say before, Johnny Walker black or blue label. You will put a few drops of alcohol around a servo and in the hole, and just wait a few seconds. Alcohol will go between a glue and outside material, and with a small force, I must wait a little next seconds, you can just remove a servo from the wing. Yes? This is big advantage of hot glue. It is fixed enough for this purpose, and if you want remove it, just few drops of alcohol and you can unglue it easy. By the way, much better and much easier than gluing with second glue, quinoacrylate glue, and with debonder for quinoacrylate glue. This is much easier. You can see here how easy you can remove pieces of hot glue from servo. Now you just will wait, then alcohol inside will vaporize. Just when hole will be clean of alcohol, you can put inside a new servo. I will show you now. Here I will make on servo big drop of hot glue. Yes, and I will with wet finger I will put it on. Yes. Now I will wait, then hot glue will be cold. So now is glue relatively cold and strong, and if I want remove it from the servo, it is really hard to remove. Now I will use a few drops of alcohol around just something like that, it's not important. I just wait a few seconds, and now I can remove it easily. Yes, of course this is okay for connections of or gluing of servo in the wing, etc. this is not for critically parts of airplane. Yes, this is only for components which you maybe will change servos. I don't know, something like that. I use it mostly on servos. So I hope again rocket science for someone easy and clear thing, but for someone it could be useful. Thanks you for watching. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.